reporting for Channel 000, bringing you the latest headlines around the world. Breaking news now in the Gulf of Mexico, where the U.S. Navy has been called in to investigate an underwater disturbance. It is unclear exactly what the disturbance is at this stage, but there appears to be a large black mass rising up from the deep. We cross now to Navy Chief General McCransky in the Gulf of Mexico. Chief General McCransky, what do you make of this strange situation?
Me? Am I on? Well, Precious, we have received reports that there is a hidden rebel base in the area. Our intelligence suggests that these rebels have been disguising themselves as killer whales, and they are planning to launch an attack on our shores and against our civil liberties. But, as always, we advise people not to panic. We have everything under control. We are sending our best troops to mount a counterattack against these terrorists as we speak, before they even breach the surface.
We cross now to live footage of the search and destroy team risking their lives to protect us from this serious terrorist threat.
Zero, do you read me? I've sighted the target, and I'm moving in. Oh my God, calling for backup. I repeat, calling for reinforcements immediately. 20-0, do you read me? I read you, 222, we're coming in.
Holy smoke, there's so many of them. Have you got them covered? I'm taking them from the rear.
I like your work, 475. God, just take a look at them. They're really black. Damn, try to think. We're gonna find out. 110, maintain your approach. I repeat, maintain your approach. 110, do you read me?
All in the soldiers, I think I got the badges now.
Wait a moment. We're just getting a message in from our newsroom. It appears that the Narcissist Enterprise deepwater rig in the Gulf of Mexico has exploded and is releasing crude oil into the ocean at an alarming rate. This is not a terrorist attack at all, people. This is an oil spill. So, General McCransky, surely this is a serious embarrassment to the Navy. How did your best officers miss this explosion? Can you please explain?
Well, this isn't the first time that rebels in the area have attacked from an underground base, so it would only make sense that they would attack from an underwater base as well. And it may still be that these terrorists are behind the explosion at the rig. And as you know, we have an impeccable reputation for dealing with these sorts of situations quickly. So we're putting our best intelligence on the job as we speak. But in the meantime, we're sending out a special operation to clean up the spill. We will have everything under control in no time.
Well, General McCransky, I must say I'm impressed. This news has just come in, right this second. Let me impress on our viewers that this is a live feed, and so you, General, are also hearing this news for the first time. And yet you tell us that you're already launching an operation to stop the spill? Now, I'm not going to ask you how it is that you're communicating with your officers as we speak, but do tell us, what is this operation? Exactly how are you intending to stop the spill?
Well, it's a new and daring operation, Precious. The men who go on this mission will be heroes. We're planning on capping the oil at the source. We've never tried it before, but we are confident that it'll succeed. So that plan, once again, is to Cap it. And that'll stop the oil.
And do you have a name for this daring operation?
Of course we do. It's Operation Sombrero! Starring the fabulous Miss Flora May. Hit it, band!
Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero, we love you. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero, we love you. Operation Sombrero. You will be our hero. Operation Sombrero. Only you can save the day. Operation Sombrero. You were great and you are here. Operation Sombrero, we love you. There's men and boys still the size of you and me. You're killing all the fishing, unlimited fishing fish. And though disasters strike again, please have no fear. Neighbors got your back. Operation Sombrero, stand. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero. Operation Sombrero, we love you. Any time that you need saving, we'll be there. Maybe it comes to you.